The question I have, there are three questions. What is going on? Who and why? The what is answered because we know it's gone. The who is the people that take the gun against themselves or against innocent children. The third question is why. Why is NRA more powerful than the American Constitution? I guess that's my question. Why? Why can't NRA be regulated?
Okay, good question. The NRA, why do they wield the influence they do? And what about his point of earlier of should we look at the NRA? I mean, any other trade organization you tend to cover as a journalist as a representative of an industry. And is the NRA a membership organization, an activist grassroots organization? Is it a trade group? Is it a hybrid of the two? How should we be thinking about that?
Well, the NRA is a membership-based organization, but the membership costs are subsidized by gun manufacturers, no question about that. And we have an interest group society that's dominated by manufacturing interests, not by citizens groups. I'll just give you three quick examples about the foundation of certain groups. The American Automobile Association was funded by Ford Motor Company. The American Association of Retired People, AARP, was funded by Colonial Penn Life Insurance Company. They've emerged into being different things. The National Rifle Association began in a very infant way in 1871, funded by the Department of the Army. And then after the Spanish-American War, where marksmanship was a real problem, especially among young men from urban areas, the Department of the Army flooded the National Rifle Association and created marksmanship schools in urban areas such that there were at least 200 of them by 1903. So where groups start is a very interesting question. Now, why aren't there groups out there to oppose the National Rifle Association? It's hard to get people organized in that way.
It's about money. I mean, the First Amendment, as it has been construed by this Supreme Court, is more to blame than the Second Amendment. That is, it's Citizens United and all that it represents. It is the fact that money talks. And it's not easy to measure in partisan terms, but it's quite clear that people on both sides of the aisle in Congress owe more to their funders than to their constituents. That has got to be changed, whether by a constitutional amendment or something. But that is at the heart of the problem. So that I'm really glad you asked your question. The focus of this discussion has been more on an amendment one number too high.
I just want to say that behind us is the word forum. And people want to believe that politics is a forum. A representative republic is a forum. Some people want to believe that it's an arena where we're sitting on the sides and watching these folks be combatants. But very often, especially with large interest groups, we are not a forum, we are not an arena. Politics is a market, and it's an unfair marketplace.